Hello guys, in this video we will discuss the expression of models which is trained on the cell prediction dataset. So first of all I have import all the necessary libraries. Now the first step is to load the dataset, that is data advertising.csv. Now this is dataset. So we can see here we have first column as index, TV, radio, newspaper and cell. We have to predict the cell for the data. Now let's clean the dataset. That first I have called drop first column, which is this one, and now our data looks like this. So now let's perform EDA part on this about dataset. So first I have count the whichever null data points that we have to fill. So there is no null, then it's okay. Duplicated rows, that is 0. Okay, now we have columns TV, radio, newspaper and cell. So we have data type float. Okay, so df float describe represent the standard deviation, mean value, minimum value, maximum value. Okay, so yeah, which is this, and we have column as I mentioned. Okay, so data frame now looks like this. Now if I want to uh, delete some outliers, so we will see the algorithm. So first this is the visualization of the data. So this is for TV column, this is for radio column, and for the newspaper this, and cell for this. So outlier, I have dropped all the outliers. Okay, from TV, radio and newspaper. So now my data frame has maximum values this and this. Okay, so the pair plot which visualize the data. Okay, and the correlation matrix is this. So finally our data frame looks like this with dropping of the outliers. Okay, so different let's partition into the x and y. X is parameter and y is the target value. Okay, so now let's scale the x feature column. Okay, and then split into training and testing dataset. So I have done train underscore test underscore split, and test size is 40%. Okay, so I have trained different models like linear regression, SVR, random forest, lasso and reach, and neural network. So first we will see linear regression. So fit, then predict, then calculate the mean square error, root mean square error, mean absolute error, and r square error. So which is 3.2. Root mean square error is 1.8, mean absolute error is 1.3, and r square error is 0.88. It's quite good, not perfect. So this is the line of regression line. Okay, for SVR I have done same thing and got like, mean square error is 3.9, root mean square error is this and okay, so prediction line that is kind of like this. The first point is 5.5, and we have above 5. Okay, so this is difference. Random forest model I got 0.53, which is minimum till now. Okay, so it is best till now. Okay, so the regression line looks like this. Okay, for lasso and reach regression, for both regression, the for reach 3.2 is the mean square error, root mean square error is 1.8. Okay, and for lasso that is 3.2. And now let's discuss about neural network. Here I have used sequential neural network, and activation function is relu. Okay, and dropout per ratio is the 0.2, so it's deep learning concept. Okay, and I have used Adam optimizer with learning rate 0.001. Okay, so epoch is 500 and batch size is 32, and validation split that is 0.2, that is 20%. Okay, so I have trained this and got mean square error is 1.6, root mean square error is 1.2, mean absolute error is 0.79, and r square error is 0.94. Now I have trained various different model on the cell prediction dataset. Now let's compare all this data uh, model. Okay, so this is the comparison graph. So I think I got minimum MSE in the random forest, that is 0.53. Okay, and minimum mean absolute error in the random forest 0.57. Here is 0.50, 0.79. Okay, so it is minimum, that is random forest is best till now. So thank you.